Hi friends, you need a perfect website for your business, and in this video we are going to overview a multi-purpose WordPress theme that can suit to any business. You can see some of the examples on your screen. This is one of the website that has been used the said multi-purpose WordPress theme, and this is another one. This is for app home, app landing page you can say, and this is for corporate business website. Another is for studio, you can say the agency, and this is for startup, and this is again for agency. So if you like these layouts and these home pages is suiting to your requirement, you can choose this theme. And I'm going to overview all the features and functionality so that your buying decision going to be very worthy. So, and this is another one as well. So we have multiple options. You can see we have 7-8 options that we can choose for our upcoming website project, and this is very clean and interactive way to present the content. Okay, so we are talking about the Vincent8. Vincent8 is a responsive multi-purpose WordPress theme, and this is the theme for this video, and we are going to overview this Vincent8 WordPress theme. This is for multi-purpose uses and creative websites, and it has been developed by the Ninzo, and Ninzo are elite author. The theme came into existence in 2019. Updates are also being done time to time, so latest update has been done recently, and this theme is compatible with the WooCommerce latest version, WordPress latest version and all. So technically it is sound to select, and now we have to overview the complete features so that we may understand if this theme really going to help us for our business website. So make sure you watch this video completely, otherwise you may lose to understand some feature, and in the future you may be willing to have the same, but that might not be available in the theme. So you have to overview all the themes that is available on this channel if you are really willing to select a suitable theme for your business. So let us start overviewing the Vincent8 WordPress theme, and we have this fresh installation of WordPress with me, and I believe you are already having a domain and hosting. If not, you may please follow the link of description in this video, that is for WP Themes website, and you can get the hosting and domain and even theme. So everything is there for your website, so just explore the links given in the description. And I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have demo data, so we can check the demo. So multiple sliders are here, and XML format content is also here, and documentation, licensing, some plugins has been provided. Further we have child theme and main theme file. So we are going to use this Vincent theme.zip file. This is installable file, so we just need to upload this file. Don't try to upload the complete folder. So for installing the theme, we have to be in the appearance section of WordPress and click on themes, and by default 2022 WordPress theme is here. We can add new here, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose just Vincent-theme.zip. so theme file size is around 15 MB. so I like to upload this theme directly to the file manager in the themes folder, that is in WP content themes directory, so it will save sometimes certainly. So you can also do the same if you are having direct access on your server through file manager or FTP. Choice is yours. You can use the WordPress interface for uploading this theme, this one, or you can directly upload the theme in using FTP or file manager. So whatever may be convenient for you, both will bring the same result. Okay, so once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. The extraction will bring a folder called Vincent, and in the Vincent we have the elements, folders and files of this theme. We can simply delete this zip one. We have already extracted it. Coming back to the themes screen, we have Vincent 8 as another theme option. This is Vincent 1.17. This is being the latest version as on date. You might be getting an updated version when you are ordering the theme by following the link given in the description, but the installation process and the features will remain same. Okay, let us activate the theme. Upon activation, we have an alert that we need to install certain plugins. Let us see what is here. Oh, that is very good. So there are very least number of plugins. So I always prefer to use that particular theme that has least usage of external plugins. So we can see here we have only necessary plugins and need to be installed. So WooCommerce is here, just in case if you are willing to use this theme for e-commerce website, you can use this. Add-ons has been given, so this is for Vincent add-ons, and WPBakery has been used as a page builder, a revelation slider for hero images, one-click demo import is just for single use, and MailChimp for subscriptions and all. Contact form 7 is always here, and MetaBox is also here. So we can choose to install all the plugins. However, all has been marked as recommended, nothing is required. But yes, if we need all feature, we need to install all plugins as well. So I'm choosing to install all plugins, and that can be done in a single click. I'm confident about my hosting plan that I am using and even providing you, so you can have the same hosting plan by following the link of video, and the hosting comes in a very reasonable price that works very fine for WordPress website. So you can see all the activation, installation has been done, and even activation has been done successfully without any trouble. All 8 plugins has been installed successfully. So we can come back to the dashboard, and we are fine with the themes and plugin, and it is redirecting us to WooCommerce welcome page. I'm in WooCommerce setup wizard. We can skip this setup for the time being. All this information can be placed later as well. So we are fine with all set of plugins and theme itself. So we can take a look of our website, how it looks. Okay, so this is the simple look of website. It don't have any content as of now, but yes, we have to target any website like this, and for this we need to import the demo content. Let us come back to the dashboard, and I'll find the demo import option. It's very simple, but I need to show you each and everything, how the installation is going on and what features we are getting after installing the theme, and how actually we can customize basic customizations. I will show you each and everything. Let us proceed towards importing the demo, and I can see import demo data option under appearance tab. So I'm just clicking on this. This is the import data option, and simply we can click the import demo data, and on the next screen some plugins has been suggested. We don't need this, so continue and import. Okay, so this screen is going to take time because it is getting connected to the server of developer. It depends on your internet speed, it depends on your server. Multiple dependencies are here, so just wait on this screen. Don't refresh the page, don't hit the back button, let the process to be completed. Meanwhile, when import process is going on, you can check the progress. In fact, it may take up to 5 or 10 minutes depending on installation, on internet speed and everything. So you may check the progress by opening the media library. However, it has been completed in my case. It took around 5 minutes for me, but yes, we can check the media library further, how many media items we have received in this installation. And okay, so 155 media items are here. So this is really a big number. This is why it took time in importing data, and it is simply saying import complete, congrats, your demo was imported successfully, and you can now begin editing your site. It is good message for me. So we can take a look of our website now. Okay, so slider is not here, but yes, Okay, so this is just a landing page, and we can choose which landing page we want to have at our landing page at our as our home page. So we can choose any. So as per your requirement and choice, you can choose any. So I am choosing this very first one. This is home app. So okay, this is wonderful, and it is complete in all respect, and we got this complete website without any trouble, and it is very professional website, of course. So we can check other home pages as well, home corporate, just in case. Okay, so it is also very good, and it is also well available here. So we can choose any home page. All home pages are here, and all the demo content is here. Just we need to select which home page we want to have at as our website, and I like this home knowledge very much. It is really good. So I'm making this home knowledge as my home page. So it can be done simply. We just go to the dashboard, and we can go to the appearance, customize, and further we need to choose the home page. Okay, so I'm just off home page setting is here. So we just need to choose the required home page. So you can choose any. So I am choosing this home knowledge. That is good for me. And now all done, I believe. And we can check the website. Okay, so slider is not here. We just need to add slider on the page. Edit page, so we can check which slider has been used on this particular home page. Okay, so slider 2 need to be here. So what we can do, we have all the slider and the demo content. We can simply go to the Revolution slider section and import the required slider. So we can import it manually. So manual import option is here. Click to choose, and we have demo slider 2 is required here. So we can simply choose this slider 2, and it is very simple. And once we refresh this page, okay, it is good now. So it is very simple, and installation remained successful without any trouble. We have internal pages as well, and we got this complete website and this effort. It is really very wonderful, and you can see the speed. It is really awesome. So for a corporate website, we actually need speed, and we have this speed on our website now, and we can simply see how really it is working fine. So it is just opening in a blink, and okay, so this is just a link. Okay, now I'll show you what we got in this installation and what features we have with this Vincent 8 WordPress theme. I can see there is nothing, no additional tab, you can say, and no additional tab is here. So I will jump directly to the customize option, where we can customize our website, and here we will get each and everything. So first of all, site identity is here, and we can simply put the details, menus, widgets, homepage setting we have already seen. General options, we can change the accent colors here, fav icon, preloader, header, style, scroll button, forms, and the responsiveness. I'm just showing you what is available here. I'm not exploring much. So typography, all can be changed wherever you want. You can change the fonts and all. Header is completely in your control. Logo you can put here in the header section. Menu and cart icon. So if you are using the theme for WooCommerce, you can enable this cart icon along with the WooCommerce extension, I mean the plugin. So if you are not using the WooCommerce, just disable the WooCommerce plugin and delete that plugin, and even uncheck this cart option. Again, feature titles are here, so we can have the feature title and rest of header settings here. Breadcrumbs, main content, we have further new settings here, the sidebar and all. So these are very simple setting. I'm not going to click each and every tab. So these are the controls that is available, and you can completely edit your website by using these features. I mean, you can customize your website whatever is required. So all controls are here. We just have only customize option, so there is no additional theme panel. And now finally I'm going to show you how you can edit the page content. So as I said, this theme uses Revolution slider and WPBakery as page builder. So we can simply edit the content using this page editor, that is WPBakery. Just click on the pencil icon wherever required and you can edit the content. Just keep in mind you have to use same length of text and same dimension of image as has been shown in the demo content, so that the design integrity may remain intact for your website, and all things are in your control. Just keep in mind you have to remove all these external links, and all links should be yours for your domain and all, because it is very important from SEO perspective. You cannot keep any external link until it is actually required. So you have to take care all these things while you are customizing your website, and you will be able to create a wonderful website like this at your own. And just in case if you are having any question, don't hesitate in asking just in comment section of this video, and you can also get in touch with us by following the link of description of this video of WP Themes website, and we can get in touch. Okay, so in the next video I'm bringing more useful WordPress resources for you. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.